Are vacuum cleaners your cat's sworn enemy? The second it roars to life, your cat bolts like you just summoned a thunderstorm indoors. To them, that loud rumbling and weird vibrations scream danger. Their instinct says, hide first, ask questions never. Some cats even give you the stink eye afterward, like you betrayed the kingdom with this noisy monster. But here's the trick. Short, calm exposures paired with treats can slowly convince them the vacuum isn't a beast. Until then, expect epic hide and seek every cleaning day. So tell me, does your cat hide, hiss, or plot revenge when the vacuum comes out? Subscribe if your cat has ever acted like the vacuum is their arch nemesis.